Helena reads a historical English book. Do you know what part of the sentence, the highlighted portion, a historical English book is? Yes, you are right. That's what we call a noun phrase. Now let's explore this concept in more detail. A noun phrase is a group of words centered around a noun. For example, the big red apple. Now in this case, the noun apple is surrounded by these words, and this whole phrase is called a noun phrase. In the second sentence, three devils in a disguise. Now in this case, devils is a noun and it is surrounded by these words. These two are the example of a noun phrase. A noun phrase serves as a subject or object of a sentence. Components of a noun phrase. A noun phrase has the following components. For example, in this sentence, the is a determiner, big and red is a modifier, and apple is a noun. Types of a noun phrase. Simple noun phrase. It consists of only a noun and its determiner. For example, a book. In this case, a is a determiner and book is a noun. Compound noun phrase. It consists of more than one noun. For example, the man and his dog. Man and dog are nouns and they are connected by a conjunction. Complex noun phrases. It includes modifiers like adjective or clauses. For example, the book that I borrowed yesterday. Now in this case, book is a noun, the is a determiner, and I borrowed yesterday is a clause because it contains I as a subject and borrowed as a verb. So now let's reflect on what we have learned today. We have explored the fundamental structure and components of a noun phrase. We also discussed various types of noun phrase. Thank you for your attention and participation in today's lecture. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Till next lecture, happy learning.